This is Ushkai, one of the youngest millionaires in Japan. He lives in a beautiful $6 million house. He has a collection of luxury and sports cars worth millions of dollars, and a collection of rare expensive luxury watches worth millions as well, etc. He's able to buy all this because he's earned or made around $4 million per day. Yes, up to $4 million per day a couple of times. So how did he get to this point, and what's his secrets for success so you can do the same? Well, you will learn all that in this video. But Ushkai's success didn't come overnight. He comes from a humble background where he was working as a firefighter for a living. He always wanted to be rich from a young age, and earning only $800 per month as a firefighter wasn't going to take him there. So he started looking for other things to do, and he met investing. Then he began learning and studying books about investing all by himself. But he didn't make most of his money by investing. It's actually
今仕事がトレーダーやってるんですね。FX トレーダーです。
Yes, Ushkai earned that $4 million per day on some days through Forex trading.
ないですか？全然5億とか言ってた。1日で5億。
So, Forex trading is essentially exchanging one currency for another, like buying a currency when low and selling it when high to make a profit. You don't need millions or thousands of dollars to start. You could even do it with less than $100. But the higher you invest to trade with, the higher the profits and the higher the risks as well. There are hundreds of videos on YouTube which teach how to make money with Forex trading. Ushkai has had his fair share of bad days with Forex trading too, like losing $1 million in a single day, cause Forex trading is also risky, just so you know. However, right now Ushkai makes on average around $1 million in profit per month.
言うと、だいたい1億ぐらいが月です。1億いきますか
Which is still nuts if you think about it. If you want to be successful with Forex trading like Ushkai, his advice is to succeed, you just have to start first to get there. When met with setbacks and failures, people who give up don't achieve their dreams. He also had failures when starting that he thought of giving up, but he believed in his hard work and kept on going. So if you want to do something or be someone, you have to take risks, attempt the challenges, and fight or overcome them. Then you will succeed with Forex trading and everything else. If you thought Ushkai's story is crazy, well, there's an 18-year-old boy who makes $200,000 per day online, and in this video he will show you how he does that.